You know, I have to tell you, I've really been looking forward to these next few videos, buying some crypto. So let's go and do it. Let's start with Binance.com. If you're using Binance.com, so of course that's Binance, but not in America. Let's go and buy some crypto right now. So let's jump to the web. Okay, so here I am. So let's log in. Let's do this. Now I have a Google Authenticator set up here. This is an optional thing. It's an added layer of security. Essentially, if you add it, it means you get something pinged to your phone every time you want to log in, and this code changes every few seconds. So it's just another layer of security. So I've just put my Google Authenticator code in that changes every couple of seconds, and I'm now in. Great. Now this is where we want to go. I want to hover over Wallet, click on Overview, and then here, top right-hand corner, buy crypto. Right-hand corner, left-hand corner, top left-hand crypto, buy, top left-hand corner. I'm getting excited. Buy crypto. When you hover over this, various options are presented to us of how we want to purchase our crypto. Do we want to purchase our crypto by literally linking to our bank account, taking money direct from our bank account? Do you want to use your credit or your debit card? Do you want to use your cash balance? Now, we've already funded our account, haven't we, a little bit? So that funding, that investment will be here. That is your cash balance. If I click on that, I can now spend my cash balance to buy some BNB. Now, it just so happens that I personally don't have a cash balance in my Binance.com account, but you will have. And so however much you've transferred in, it will say here cash balance, which you can see it says 0 for me. And you simply type in, whatever it is, $100 maybe you want to spend, or £100 in this case. And then here, this is the important thing. Here we get to choose which cryptocurrency we want to buy. It says BTC, which is Bitcoin. Let's click on that. Various options are presented, and we want to choose, here it is, BNB. BNB, there we go. And £100 at the time of this video would buy me 0.3 of BNB. Then you would simply click continue at the bottom, and then the BNB would be instantly bought, and it will appear in your account, in your wallet. Let me show you where that is. So let's go back up here to Wallet. Let me click on Overview. We've seen this page before. And we want to hover here where it says Fiat and Spot. This is where all your assets are held, in your Fiat and your Spot area of Binance. So we click on this. And I'm just going to type in BNB. There we go, BNB. So it shows you your assets. Now I happen to have one BNB in here anyway. We're just over 1.05. So this is telling me that I've got just over one BNB already in my Binance account. And if you just bought some BNB, doing what we've just done, this is where it would appear. Right, so let's summarize. So what did we accomplish in this video? Big video this video. We went and bought some BNB at Binance.com. Nice and simple. It's very step by step, isn't it? It's very, very intuitive. So what do I want you to do now? Well, you know what I'm going to say, don't you? If you use Binance.com, if that is your exchange, go there, buy a small amount of BNB, and then the transaction is instantaneous. And then go to, as you just saw me show you, go to your account, and then you will see your BNB listed under your assets. If you just in the search bar type in BNB, it will show you your BNB there. If you're doing this right now, please let me know in the comments below how this goes. I'm really excited to see your comments, so please do let me know below. Let's look at Binance.us. It's a similar process, but it does look a little bit different, the exchange in Binance.us. So let's look at that in the next video.